In this tutorial we will go through the process of setting up a complex form for the Station Video database. The first thing we need to do is to create a form. So we go to Create and then we click on Form Wizard. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Okay, now we want to actually make this a loan. So the first thing we do is go to the loan table. We want to use all the fields on this. To use all the fields, we click the double arrow, which shifts all of these fields from the available ones into the ones that are used on the form. Now also, when we want the loan to come up, we also want to identify the member. We already have the member number, which is from the loan table, but we want the first name and the surname of the member who are borrowing the video. And then we also want to identify the tape. We have the number, but it would be helpful to have the title as well. Okay, so we've now got this in our form. We go to Next. Now we want the form to demonstrate all these records by loan, so we're happy by that with the way that's set up. Next we go to the layout of the form, which is going to be in columns, which is fine. And finally we're going to call it loan. So we finish. And there's our form, but it's not quite the way we want it because it's a bit jumbled up. So we can go to our loan form, right click and go to Design View. Now what we're going to do is we're going to this bottom bar of the footer here and drag that down to the bottom of the page. Then what we're going to do is select surname and first name, and the way we do that is to actually draw a line that includes both of those fields, and then with the movement icon move them out of the way. We are then going to move the tape number and the date of the loan down a bit. Once we've done that, we reselect the surname and the first name, and we're going to put that under member number. We're then going to move tape number. We're not going to move tape number, actually we'll leave where it is. We're going to move date of loan and title out of the way a bit, and then we're going to select title and have it immediately under tape number. And finally our date of loan is at the end. So if we now have a look at our loan, we can go to the open our loan, and now we have member number with the surname and first name underneath that, and then tape number with the title underneath that, and finally we have our date of our loan. And we have now set up a complex form which actually has the information of 3 tables which are linked together. The member table and the tape table are linked together through the loan table.